When this video goes up, guys, I'll probably be on vacation, but I wanted to make sure and let you guys know that my t-shirts for the channel are up now on Teespring storefront. I've created a Teespring storefront and I've got both the black and a white. If you were in my live video, then you will have seen the designs that I had, and so I put those live on the storefront. So if you want to grab some and support the channel, make sure you do so. I've also added some white phone cases for iPhone or Samsung, which would look really dope and really awesome with your phone. You can basically sport and promote and help me grow as a channel. Again, if you've been in the lives, you know that a lot of the money that I get, I'm trying to give back and to you guys and my subscribers through lives and giveaways and things like that. So if you have a chance, check the description down below and look for the Teespring storefront, where you can get yourself your own white shirt, white t-shirt, or black, and I'll post pictures of those on right now so you guys can see it. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, they are now actually correct with the bolts facing outwards, and I've gone ahead and kind of just tightened these 9/16 bolts up. And so I'm just gonna give them a slight little tight, and I'll probably kind of go ahead and maybe tighten some of this other stuff up. But other than that, guys, that is it. Check it out. That is gonna be so awesome. I can put my drag pack up there, and then whenever I need to just bring it down, and it's out of the way from everything else that I have going on in this garage. All right, guys, so I've got one wheel on here, and I kind of wanted to see how it would fare, and I think it's okay, but I feel like I might want to move this one back one. I mean, it still has a bunch of space up here, and putting it here will allow it to kind of sit down a little more, and that way it's not kind of wobbling, because right now it's so light that it really wobbles very, very small area. But I think if we move this back one, this will kind of fall down more and it'll really sit tight and won't be going anywhere. I want to make sure that everything sits right and a tire doesn't kind of roll over or fall over. But so far I think it's going to be really good, and hopefully they all fit. They should, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, guys, so check it out. See how now this is a lot lower, and it actually still is barely clearing the wall, still not touching the wall. So this is a lot more sturdier. It's gotten a lot more place down under. Now we just gotta see if the bigger 17x10 305 45s will not hit the wall as well. So let's go ahead and bring those out and try those out. Well, guys, as you guys can see, the bigger 305 did not fit using this back bar. So what I'm going to do is put it back in its original spot and just stack them all up. And once they're all stacked up, I mean, this guard will not let them fall, and of course they're not going to be going anywhere. So let's go ahead and move that back and put all our wheels back on. Woo! Guys, they fit perfectly. I was able to get all my wheels, and I still have a little bit of spare. And of course, these are pretty decently wide. We've got 305s and 245s. Now, I don't know that my 305s and 285s will actually be able to fit, but they might. I mean, I still have a little bit of extra gap on each side, so I might, when I do put on the drag pack, I should be able to hopefully fit these up here. Again, I measured about 46.5 inches, and the wheels I have here are 20x11 and 20x10. So if you do the math, 10 and 10, that's 20, and 22, that's 42, giving us about 4 inches to spare. And of course, it is now raining really, really bad. So what do you guys think? This is what my garage was actually needing. So now I've got a full set of drag packs up on the wall, and my measurements even came out perfect from the top, guys. The tires do not touch on the top. They sit perfectly. They don't touch the wall, as you guys can see on the back side. So this came out perfect. Now we just got to bring the car in. So let's go ahead and bring it in and show you guys how it's going to look with the car in its parking spot. There you have it, guys. We've got the car parked here. We've got the wheels on the top out of the way. We've got a bunch of tools and stuff here, things I got to clean out, but this was a must needed. If you have a drag pack or an extra set of wheels, definitely recommend purchasing these high loft tire rack that goes up on the wall. It makes a big difference and helps keep your stuff very organized and things and clutter out of your way. It'll especially help when your wife is trying to yell at you, telling you why you have stuff out there. So make sure that you get one if you do have an extra set of tires. What do you guys think? Leave down something in the comments below letting me know what you guys think of this. I think it's awesome, and it's definitely a must-have here in my garage, and still gives me plenty of space to walk around under and around the car. So very excited, and I can't wait to take these wheels out and use them again when we go to a track event or anything like that. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.